Hi, welcome back to our channel, Vocab List 8. In this session, you will learn 25 advanced vocabulary words tested in GRE, SAT, ACT, IELTS, CAT, CLAT, IELTS, LSAT, etc.
1. Acerbic. Meanings: sharp and forthright, biting, sarcastic. Usage: her acerbic wit made her a formidable opponent in debates. 2. Acrimonious. Meanings: bitter in feeling or language, caustic, rancorous. Usage: the acrimonious divorce proceedings dragged on for months. 3. Adamant. Meanings: unyielding, firm in opinion, inflexible. Usage: despite the pressure, she remained adamant in her decision. 4. Adumbrate. Meanings: to foreshadow vaguely, to outline sketchily, to suggest. Usage: the speaker adumbrated his plans for future projects. 5. Aggrandize. Meanings: to increase the power, status, or wealth of, to enhance, to exalt. Usage: he sought to aggrandize himself through flattery and manipulation. 6. Aleatory. Meanings: dependent on chance, random, fortuitous. Usage: the aleatory nature of the stock market makes investing risky. 7. Ameliorate. Meanings: to make better, to improve, to alleviate. Usage: the new policies were designed to ameliorate the suffering of the poor. 8. Anathema. Meanings: something or someone intensely disliked, a curse, a vehement denunciation. Usage: lying was anathema to him, so he always told the truth. 9. Antediluvian. Meanings: extremely old, antiquated, primitive. Usage: the antediluvian computer system was hopelessly outdated. 10. Aphorism. Meanings: 1. A concise statement of a principle. 2. A maxim. 3. An adage. Usage: if it ain't broke, don't fix it is a common aphorism. 11. Apocryphal. Meanings: 1. Of doubtful authenticity. 2. Spurious. 3. Fictitious. Usage: the story about the founding of the town was likely apocryphal. 12. Apostate. Meanings: 1. One who renounces a religious or political belief. 2. A defector. 3. A renegade. Usage: he was branded an apostate after he abandoned his former political party. 13. Arrogate. Meanings: 1. To claim or seize without justification. 2. To assume. 3. To appropriate. Usage: the dictator arrogated power to himself by dissolving the parliament. 14. Artifice. Meanings: 1. Deception. 2. Trickery. 3. Cunning. Usage: The elaborate plot was full of artifice and hidden motives. 15. Asperity. Meanings. 1. Harshness of tone or manner. 2. Severity. 3. Acrimony. Usage. The teacher responded to the student's question with asperity. 16. Attenuate. Meanings. 1. To reduce in force or value. 2. To weaken. 3. To diminish. Usage. The drug attenuated the symptoms of the disease. 17. Augury. Meanings. 1. An omen. 2. A sign of what will happen in the future. 3. Prophecy. Usage. The black cat crossing her path was considered a bad augury. 18. Auspicious. Meanings. 1. Favorable. 2. Promising success. 3. Propitious. Usage. The sunny weather was an auspicious sign for the start of their journey. 19. Aver. Meanings. 1. To assert with confidence. 2. To declare. 3. To affirm. Usage. The witness averred that he had seen the suspect at the scene of the crime. 20. Avuncular. Meanings. 1. Relating to an uncle. 2. Kind and friendly like an uncle. 3. Benevolent. Usage. The professor had an avuncular manner that made students feel comfortable. 21. Baleful. Meanings. 1. Threatening harm. 2. Menacing. 3. Ominous. Usage. The dark clouds had a baleful appearance, warning of an approaching storm. 22. Beguile. Meanings. 1. To charm or enchant, often deceptively. 2. To deceive. 3. To mislead. Usage. The con artist beguiled his victims with false promises of wealth. 23. Belie. Meanings. 1. To contradict. 2. To give a false impression. 3. To misrepresent. Usage. His calm demeanor belied the turmoil within. 24. Bilk. Meanings. 1. To cheat or defraud. 2. To swindle. 3. To evade payment. Usage. The conman bilked unsuspecting investors out of their life savings. 25. Bowdlerize. Meanings. 1. To remove offensive material. 2. To censor. 3. To expurgate. Usage. The book was Bowdlerized for younger readers. Thanks for watching. The next lesson, Advanced Vocab Session 9, follows. Do watch the previous lessons also. The link for the previous lessons is given in the description. Good luck!